Okay guys, welcome back again to HVAC Startup Technician, and we're gonna be connecting this pump. I think the guys put this pump on here, but these wires should be wired into the furnace, so actually the condenser will cut off if there's a problem. Okay, so we're gonna show you today how to wire up that pump. Okay, let's go take a look at the furnace inside and get some wires ready. So stick with me, we will be doing this step by step. So you have a gas furnace, so gas lines, and this is the furnace over here. Look at an 80,000 BTU furnace over here. See all these here, this is the compartment of the furnace. This is our switch. It's a safety switch where if it's pulled up, you're gonna cut off the unit, so we're gonna have to wire that back to. It's a very simple fix. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get this wired up. Okay. So first we get some thermostat wire, because we need to get these two black wires go back to the unit. So we're gonna step through this. We need enough wire for this. So we're gonna take this wire here, and again I'm gonna start stripping these wires here for you. Okay. And this is a very simple job. Anybody could just wire it. The other guys think wiring up this condensate is a problem. It is really not. You know, you're just gonna get two other wires. I'm like to use red, and I will use my white, because you're actually wiring this in series. You're going around the socket. So we're gonna keep stripping it again, and I will tell you, it looks difficult on the surface. It's something that I had problems before trying to get done, but once I did it, I realized how easy it is. So it is my hope that if you run into a problem in your job where this is not wired in, you will be able to look and see how to wire this. And we always try to get the job done neatly. That's another thing. You know, your job going to speak for itself, so you try to get things done as neat as possible. Okay, we strip this wire here. Okay, and here we go. So I'm gonna take this wire here, and I'm gonna pass it in here. You see here? Okay, see me here? I'm coming in here, and I'm going back over here. We're gonna go back to this. This is the wires for the pump. So we're gonna take one of those wires. 1 minute, you guys. Let me strip this side. We're gonna strip this wire. We didn't strip this one before, so I'm just gonna do this wire here for you here. And hopefully you could hear me. I know I seem to be a little bit low, but hopefully you could hear me. And we're gonna go in series. So yeah, you can see we go in here white to the black. It doesn't matter which side you go. And so we may need to get a little bit more from that black wire, so we get a good connection. So I said, if it doesn't matter if you do the white or the red first, doesn't matter, we're going in series. So. And then we're gonna take this side and we'll come over here. And I said, when you try to do your job, you always try to get it done neatly. You know, because at the end of the day, it's gonna come back to you. You're the one to do the job. So whatever you do, can I take your time and get the job done correctly. Okay, so we're gonna wire nut these together. Make sure we get a good connections. So this is gonna be another safety here. Here we go. Let's go back inside the unit. So here we go. Remember we have that red and that white wire. Give me a minute here. And there, sometimes try to go behind the pipes. Okay, and we're coming back in here. Set that. Right, and this is where I taught you how to do the outside. This is where it could be a little bit complicated. So we're gonna remember we have this drain pan switch here. So this is like a drain pan switch. So we go into this. There's another safety. We could go straight if we didn't have this drain pan switch, but we do. So we're gonna have this red wire here, which is our power wire. So we're gonna take this off. And we're gonna take one more the wires over here. We could connect the white here to this one here. This. Give me 1 minute. Let me just look for some of those. Yeah. So here we come back. We already have those wire here. We go in white, and I want to make sure that you can see exactly what I'm doing. We wire this to the red wire, and then this other red here to the next part of the drain switch. And there you go. Once you get this done, you actually made a series socket. Okay, so this is how you wire up a condensate pump. I will just do a recap so you guys could understand, guys. It's in the field. So let me do a recap here. So this is my condensate pump. What I did is I take a thermostat wire and I go to each end of the wires coming from the condensate pump. Yeah, it doesn't matter the color. One side here, one side here. I did use a white and I use a red. And I came back and I connect the one part of my drain pan switch which I have, and then one part to the red so you get power. And that is how you wire up the condensate pump to your unit. Always make sure that this wiring is done. It's a safety. A lot of guys think it would pump if you don't connect it, but it's always best to connect it. Alright, let's get back to my job. We want to make sure I have a job tomorrow. So you guys take care, and see you on the next video.